In today's video, we are going to show you how to draw arrows on chess.com. This feature is super useful for analysis, teaching, or planning your next move. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and I want you to click the play button. Here, you can play online, play bots, play with a coach, with a friend, it doesn't matter. Because let's say you are playing with a bot. Drawing an arrow is super simple, okay? I want you to right click on the starting square, hold the right mouse button, drag to another square, for example going up, and release the button. You see that? That's it. An arrow will instantly appear showing the move or idea you want to highlight. Now, if you want, you can also use a different mouse button or key combination so that you can draw actions in different colors. It's up to you, which is really great for making threats, plans, or alternative lines. Okay, and of course, you can draw multiple arrows on the board at the same time. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to draw arrows on chess.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.